All right, so it's October 8th and Friday, and we're gonna have the demo guys begin gutting the house on Monday. So my dad and I have been here prepping. We moved all this trim, got the AC and furnace disconnected. I moved all this trim from upstairs downstairs, so plenty to refinish and use. I took out all the circuits out of the breaker box so the demo guys don't electrocute themselves, and try to move everything out from upstairs. So upstairs I did a little kitchen demo to kind of see what this brick looked like underneath, so we'll try to keep that in the new kitchen. They'll be taking all these cabinets out, spread out a little bit here. Got all the electric out so it's not working. All the trim we wanted. Thank you for helping. Yep. So the demo guys are gonna come take all this drywall, ceilings, everything, and upstairs is the same. We'll go check it, take a look. So we took all the old stair treads and trim going up the sides of the stairs off, put some temporary ones on, so try to refinish them. Took this window out for the demo crew to clean out the second story. So hopefully they can just walk and dump right there. Every room's been cleared out. It's getting kind of dirty. It's gonna get worse. We got a lot of stuff stored in here. Desk, try to protect that a little bit. This will kind of, I'm gonna put some plastic here. This will kind of be a little work room until it's all done. Because we're gonna try to keep everything on the back side of this house protected as much as possible, if we can do that. Outside, I had to redo the stairs. Did some cutting and mortaring to make sure that these blocks fit now around the big pier footer that we put in. So we have to get some more gravel. I ran out of gravel. Backfill all that and build the stairs back. That'd be nice to have that done. I was able to get this one completely filled in, at least till we need sand, so I'm gonna be getting some sand. But as you can see, same thing with the footer. To cut around it, because it's down there's about 5 feet deep. Just that tiny little square. And we had a small problem with the masonry. I think I did the wall, poured the slab, framers came, and it was 3 inches out of square. So to fix it, we moved this wall forward about 3 inches on this corner. And then we were able to move, so we took out the whole top course of this back wall and removed it forward there. So I will make sure I get some dirt quick and cover it up so the inspector doesn't see it. But yeah, it's coming along. All the wood's here and ready. See you next time.